Now, guys, this is a recap of the trade we took yesterday. All right. If you watched the video I dropped yesterday before this particular one, you will see the areas we marked out. After the analysis, we marked out the smart money zones, the key levels we're expecting price to react to or respect. Now, the weekly top-down analysis we did was to give us direction. Then after which we stumbled on this setup, and at a glance I knew this was going to hold. So I actually put out this particular analysis on XAUUSD out there on my YouTube channel. Now this is like a recap of what played out. Now we had this push to the upside. Which tapped us in. So we had a short 2, all right, to indicate the risk to reward ratio we're expecting to get on this trade. And I marked out the order block, which is for me kind of the entry, one of the most important entry models for me. I don't joke with the order blocks. So in marking it out, we're expecting price to retrace back, and we waited patiently, and price actually retraced back. Now we actually found out how strong the push to the downside was when we discovered the breaker structures to the downside, which gave us confidence to wait for this trade to actually retrace back and then push us down. Now the price tapped us in because I had some pending orders and pushed to the downside. Now it gave us another breaker structure to the downside, but then immediately price pushed to the downside, giving us this breaker structure. It also gave us another order block at this point, which price actually retraced back and tapped on the order block. So if we had another entry at this point, we actually expect price to as well tap us in. But then price retraced back, tapped on this order block, and pushed massively to the downside. So you can see, guys, what played out. So please always pay attention to my top-down analysis, and every analysis you see me drop on different forex pairs. All right, pay attention, guys. We can't go wrong when we have the right setup, but should we go wrong, is a good loss. So long as your setup is intact, your complexes are intact, and it's the way you trade, you know it works for you, then if it goes wrong, it's not a bad trade at all. So guys, this is a recap of what played out. You can see a massive push to the downside. All right, we are not joking on this channel. Just subscribe to this channel, follow us on Telegram, give this video as much as 50 likes so that YouTube can recommend this video to as many persons out there like to see this video. All right, each time I drop videos, my intention is to give you guys value, to give value out there. I don't just take my time to drop videos, all right, without a genuine intention. So guys, follow up. Very soon we'll start going live together to analyze the commodities out there in the forex market together and make profit of the market together. So in the shortest possible time, we will be going on a larger screen and going live too, like I said earlier. Okay, so look at the massive push to the downside. All right, after tapping us in, giving us this break of structure. All right, another order block formed out here, and price retraced back, tapped on the order block, and dished out a massive push to the downside. You can see the level we are currently at. Take profit smashed. Right, so this was the order block. Price had to retrace back to. Price retraced back to this order block. And then we had this, you can see, very sweet move. So pay attention to your internal breakout structures on the 5 minutes, on the 1 minute, on the 15 minutes time frame. So as the trade progresses, whenever you place a trade, as your trade progresses, always watch out for breakout structures, both on the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. You can see this breakout structure gives us confidence that price is still bearish, and I was able to mark out this zone as well where I was expecting price to reverse back and react to, which price actually did, and then you can see the massive push to the downside. So that's it for now, guys. Do take care of yourselves. See you again in my next video. So like I said earlier, this is a recap to show you guys what happened, what played out after we analyzed gold XAUUSD. So take care for now, guys, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.